Hi everyone! Did you know that you can save and restore saved versions of your website.com website? I'll show you how you can make saved versions of your website throughout your website building process so you can have a worry-free website building experience. With all website.com plans, a saved version of your website is automatically created every time you publish or reset your website. But with Business Basic plans and above, you can also choose to save a version of your website at any time. All website.com Elite plans and above allow you to restore saved versions of your website. So I currently have a business standard plan, so I can create a saved version of my website. When I'm logged into the editor, and if I want to create a saved version of my site, all I have to do is click Site, Create a Saved Version. So now you just have to give your website version a name, and I'm going to describe the website design plus put today's date. Then hit save. Now to see all of my saved versions of my website, just click Site, Site History. To view a past revision of the site, all you have to do is click on the revision title. So you can also display it so that you see all of the revisions, all of your manually saved revisions that you've saved yourself, all of the automatically created versions of your website, or all of your favorited revisions. To favorite a revision, it's super easy. All you have to do is click on the little heart right here. When you hover on a revision, you can also rename it, you can delete it, or if you want to restore your website design to that version, you can click Restore to this revision. So I'm actually going to restore to this version right here. Click OK. And now my website design has reverted back to this version of my website. So to take these changes live, all you have to do is click Publish. Make sure all of the pages and all of the mobile view that you want to go live are selected, and click Publish again. So as you can see, it's super easy to see your website design history, create a saved version, and restore to previous website versions. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.